Hi guys, this is the review for the 6 shelf storage rack. So it looks like some industrial type, but it's not. It's good for almost anything average people would use it for. But I look at the review on the YouTube. I would ignore the bad reviews about the tough assembly. I didn't follow the instruction. It's just I found the fix for how like people failing to assemble this quick and easy. So I already installed it. I forgot to record it, but here it is. So the key is I started with one level at a time on first floor. So people's complaint is the shelves keep falling apart because the instruction said put it all together and put the plywood last. But the plywood, this actually holds it from falling apart. So what I did is I started with one level at a time. Started first level. Put the long frames, added these beams, four frames, then 4 beams. Then I added the plywood as soon as possible because it was falling apart. As soon as I put the plywood in the middle, it keeps everything intact. Then I added some random stuff to put some weight on it so it doesn't fall apart, because if it's light, it's flimsy, it keeps coming off. This one keeps going up. So I did this. It only took me like 5 minutes each, so like 30 minutes something, and I finished. Did the first floor and it's actually stable after putting the stuff here. Did the second one, did all the four beams, added the plywood, put some weight on it, done. It was stable. After this one, then just keeps on going and going and going. Then just make sure it's heavy. Then after it's done, just whack the edges like boom. Then that's it. It only took me 30 minutes. It's really worth it for $70 from Sam's Club, because I look everywhere and I couldn't find the best bang for the buck. eBay is like $120 and it's way smaller than this one, and it takes forever to get here. This only take me like 2 to 3 days from Sam's Club. Yeah, this is it. It's really good. I love it. It's clean. The gray and the white plywood, I think, was great.